into the second class of Sinte Rhythm. The first beat is Totong, slap bass, slap bass, slap bass, slap. Let's play it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second beat is Totong, slap, slap, Totong, slap, slap, Totong. Let's play it twice on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Now let's combine all the beats, each beat 4 times. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of Sinte Rhythm. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you'll see our new videos. And share with your friends and families too. Goodbye.